In this video, I'll guide you through how to change Microsoft Planner language, whether you're more comfortable working in another language or you just want your Microsoft apps to be consistent with the rest of your system. Adjusting this setting only takes a couple of minutes once you know where to look. First, you'll want to sign in to your Microsoft account through a browser. Open your preferred browser and go to office.com. If you usually access Planner directly, you can also go to tasks.office.com. Both addresses will take you into the same environment where your Planner tasks live. Sign in with your regular work or school account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in the Office web experience, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the settings gear icon. This is the same settings icon you might recognize from other Microsoft apps. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. It will slide out from the side or drop down depending on your layout. In this settings menu, you're looking for the option to change your language. It may appear as a direct link or as part of a language and time zone or language and region area, depending on your tenant and interface version. Go ahead and select the option that mentions changing your language. This will take you into a more detailed settings page where you can adjust how the interface appears across your Microsoft 365 apps. On this page, find the section labeled Language and Region. This is where your display language and regional formatting, like date and time, are managed. Focus on the part that specifically mentions display language. This is the setting that controls the language used across the web interfaces of apps like Planner, Outlook on the web, and others tied to your account. Next, click the option that says Change Display Language. When you select this, you'll see a list or drop-down of available languages. Scroll through the list and pick the language you want Microsoft Planner and related apps to use. Take a moment here to choose the exact variant you prefer, such as the correct regional version of your language, since that can affect things like spell check and date formats. Once you've highlighted your preferred language, confirm your choice by clicking Select. After you've chosen your new display language and clicked Select, the change is saved to your account. However, the interface might not switch instantly everywhere. It can take a few minutes for the new language to propagate across all of your Microsoft 365 apps, including Planner. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a short time. A quick way to speed things up is to refresh your browser page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. In some cases, you may even want to sign out and sign back in, especially if you're working across multiple tabs. Once the change has fully applied, your Planner interface, along with other web-based Microsoft apps linked to your account, should now appear in the language you selected. That's all you need to do to change the language in Microsoft Planner through the Office web settings.